Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the next criteria for congruence, that is Rhs criteria. This criteria is for right angle triangles. You know what is a right angle triangle? What is a right angle triangle? Right angle triangle means it is a triangle in which any one angle is 90 degree. You know how many angles are there for one triangle? 3 angles are there, right? So we have, if you are considering this triangle, you know where are the 3 angles? 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 angles of a triangle. So coming to right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, one angle will be 90 degrees. So, and we will put this symbol, use this symbol for showing the 90 degree. So, if it is not written 90 degree and this symbol is there, means it is understood. What is it? That angle is 90 degree. Okay. So, now coming to the congruence criteria. So, in this congruence criteria, we are dealing with 2 right angle triangles. So, I am drawing one right angle triangle. I am naming it as ABC. Another one I am naming this as PQR. So, we have 2 right angle triangles. So, now we are going to check whether these 2 triangles are congruent using RHS. So, here if the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle. You know what is a hypotenuse? Which is hypotenuse here? The side opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. So, if here in this angle B is taking as 90 degree means, which is the side opposite to angle B? You know, AC is the side opposite to angle B. So, this is what is called as hypotenuse. You know this, we studied before. This is hypotenuse. And coming to the triangle PQR, Q is 90 degree, right? Okay. So, which is the side opposite to Q? You know, this is the side, that is PR. So, this is hypotenuse. So, what this criteria says is, in a right angle triangle, so we have a right angle triangle, 2 right angle triangle, the hypotenuse of one triangle should be equal to the hypotenuse of the second triangle. So, if this is 5 centimeter, this also should be 5 centimeter. That is one condition. And next one is, and one side of another right triangle triangle. Those 2 triangles. That means after hypotenuse, how many sides are left? You can see these 2 sides are left. So, here these 2 sides are left. Okay. So, hypotenuse should be equal for both triangles and any one side should be equal. So, if this is 4 centimeter, this also should be 4 centimeter. Okay. Or the one more side is there, no? If this is 4 centimeter or 3 centimeter, whatever it is, okay, it should be equal. That's it. If this is 3 centimeter, this also should be 3 centimeter. That means hypotenuse of one and hypotenuse of the next should be equal. One side of one triangle and one side of another triangle should be equal. So, we can say that these 2 triangles are congruent. Okay. So, we will see one more example, you will understand. So, here we have the triangle PQR and the next triangle ABC. Okay. We are going to check the congruence rule. So, this is right angle triangle. How did you understand that? You can see this symbol. So, what does it mean? That angle is 90 degrees. So, we have 2 right angle triangles. Now, we will go for the hypotenuse. So, the side opposite to right angle. So, which is the side opposite? So, here we have 8 centimeter. Here, which is the side opposite? Here also it is 8. So, RQ is equal to, which is the side here? AC. And that is equal to 8 centimeter. So, what is it? It is hypotenuse. So, we got hypotenuse is equal. Okay. Now, we want one more side. Right. So, which side is equal here? You can see one 3 centimeter here, one 3 centimeter here. That means PRS is equal to 3 centimeter and BA is also 3 centimeter. So, one side is equal. So, hypotenuse of one triangle and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse of the second triangle and one side of the second triangle. Now, what can we say? These 2 triangles are congruent. And what will you write? And you should know how to write in order. I told you how will you write it? Triangle. If I am starting from this triangle, I will name it as triangle PQR. Is congruent. You know the symbol. Congruent to triangle. Which triangle? How will you write it? PQR. That means P. In the place of P, what will be in this triangle? P is 90 degree, right? So here which is 90 degree B. So we'll start from B. Now here it is Q. So PQ. So this side. That means BC. So BC. Then what is left? A. So this is how we have to write the congruence. So we'll draw this two triangles, then you will write this and then you will write this. Okay, this is hypotenuse. This in this bracket you can write it as one side. Okay, this is how you have to use a RHS congruence criteria for checking the congruence of two right triangles. Okay, now coming to one more example, then it will be more clear for you. So here, are they right triangles? Yes, because the symbol is here means I told you this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So we have 90 degree. Now what should you check first? You should check the hypotenuse. So which is the hypotenuse here? The side opposite to 90 degrees. So here we have the side. So which is the side here? BC. Here which is the side? RP. So here you can see this is 9 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. First itself, what is it? Hypotenuse is not equal. Then what can we say? These two triangles are not congruent. So what will you write here? BC is not equal to PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is not congruent to, just cut that congruence, okay, not congruent to triangle PQR. You can write here hypotenuse are not equal. Okay, so this is the second example. Clear? Now coming to the try these questions from your reader. So first question is, in figure 7.32, measure of some parts of a triangle are given. By applying RHS congruence rule, state which pairs of triangles are congruent. Okay, so we have the first one. Here you can see these two are right triangles. It's written here 90 degree 9. So these two are right angles or right angled triangles or right triangle. Anyway you can say. So here first we will check the hypotenuse. Which is the hypotenuse here? PR. So PR is equal to, which is the hypotenuse here? DF. DF is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so hypotenuse are equal for both triangles. Now any one side should be equal. So we are going for this triangle. So PQ is equal to 3 centimeter. So here what is it? It is 2.5 centimeter only. So PQ is not equal to DE. Therefore, what will you write? Triangle PQR is not congruent to triangle DFE. This is how you have to write. Okay. Now coming to the second one. So here two triangles are there, but both are together. So how you just split it. If you want, you can split it. How will you split it? So this is the first triangle, right? So let it be like this. Okay, AC, B, and write down the measurement. So this is 90 degree. So this is 3.5 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is the first triangle. Second triangle I am drawing here. DAB. I'll draw one line here. Okay, DAB. So in this AB is 3.5 and this is 2. Okay, so I will write it once more. It will be confusion for you. So I'll draw the triangle first. Okay. So AC we will draw. So we have AC here. Then CB. Okay. Then next one is ADB. That also will draw here. ADB. Now we will write the measurements here. This is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Then this is, what is this? Just 3.5 centimeter, right? So write the 3.5 centimeter here. 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Then coming to the second triangle, this is 2 centimeter, right? Okay. So we'll write 2 centimeter here. 2 centimeter. Okay, then this is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now we have to name the name also, and this is 90 degree, right? So this is 90 degrees. That's all. That also will write 90, and here also it is 90. Okay, now we will name the triangles. This is C. Here we will name it as C. Then which is here, this is A, and this vertex is B. Okay, then what is here, this is D. Okay, then what is this, this is A, and this side is this vertex is B. Okay, this is how we are splitting these two triangles. Okay, so this triangle ACB I have drawn here, and this triangle ADB I have drawn here, and 90 degree is here, and this 90 degrees here. This is what our second question. Okay, now we are going to check the congruence of these two triangles, whether these two triangles are of same size and same shape. Shape is correct, same size we are going to check. So first what should you do? We should check the hypotenuse, that means side opposite to the 90 degree. So which is the side opposite to 90 degree in this one? You can see this is a side, that is AB. So AB is the hypotenuse. Here which is a side, here also AB is the hypotenuse. So what can you write? AB is equal to AB, and that is equal to what? It is 3.5 centimeter. It is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, I will type it and show, otherwise it will be confused. So AB is equal to A, B is equal to A, B, and that is equal to how much? 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now what's the next one? So hypotenuse is equal, so you can write in this bracket. What will you write in the bracket? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, now hypotenuse and any one side of the triangle. So now check any one side is equal or not. So you can see here we have 2 centimeter, here also we have 2. So one side is equal. So AC is equal to AC and DB are equal here. So we'll write AC is equal to DB. Okay, AC is equal to DB is equal to, what is it? 2 centimeter, right? So it is 2 centimeter. Okay, so that is one side, that you can write it as one side. So hypotenuse and any one side are equal. Then what can you say? These two triangles are congruent. How will you write the congruence? Now that order is very important. Okay, so I am starting from ACB. Okay, or ABC, whichever you want you can write. So okay, we'll start from triangle ABC. Now A, in the place of A, what will be here? That is also A only, right? So congruent to triangle A. B, in the place of B, here also B only. So AB, what is here? D. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. So what is the rule? RHS. So using RHS congruence rule, we got those two triangles are congruent. Okay, now coming to the third question. Here also you can see two triangles, but they are given in the same figure. So what you can do is you can split those two triangles as we did in the second one. So I am going to split it. So you can see here. So this is CB, right? So CB I am going to take. So we have CB here. Then okay, then okay, and this one I will draw it here. Okay, now I am going to name it. Okay, what is this? It is B, right? It is B. Then what is here? It is C. Okay, then what is here? It is A. Okay, now coming to the below one triangle is there, no? That one we will name C. Here it is D, and here it is A. Okay, so we name those two triangles. Now we will write the measurements. So here it is 3.6 centimeter, right? Okay, so it is 3.6 centimeter. Okay, here also 3.6 centimeters given, so it is 3.6 centimeter. So we have those two triangles. Okay, now what is it? Okay, this one, this is 90 degree. Here this is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. So this is what is given in this figure. Now coming to the, I will do this problem. Okay, listen. So this triangle, which triangle we are talking about? Is this triangle. So this triangle I have drawn here. Okay, that is CBA or ABC, whichever you want you can call, and that is a 90 degree, right? This is a 90 because here it is 90 degree, so it is a right angle triangle. Now what is the next triangle here? So this is a second triangle. So that triangle I have drawn here. Okay, 3.6 is marked. Now we are going to check whether these two triangles are congruent using Rhs criteria. Okay, so coming to this triangle, this is 90 degrees, so which is the side opposite to the side. So here we have the hypotenuse, it is CA. So CA. So CA is equal to what? In this triangle, CA is CA itself. Both are same only, no? This CA and this CA are same. So they are of the same measurement. Though measurement is not given, they are same. So no need of writing the measurement. You just write equal to. CA is equal to CA. Okay. Now what else is given? So hypotenuse is equal. Now any one side. So which side is given here? 3.6. That is BA is equal to. What is BA in this one? It is DA. It is equal to 3.6. So hypotenuse we got one side and one side in this triangle. One side in this triangle, one side in this triangle. They are equal. So what can you say? Both triangles are congruent. How will you write the congruence? That order is very important. Triangle ABC is congruent to, you know the symbol, right? Congruent to ABC. So here ADC. Triangle ADC. So this is how you have to write. Okay. Now the fourth question. Same thing only. We will do it once. So you have two triangles. What you have to do is you have to split those two triangles. You are going to split it. Okay. Okay, one. Sorry. Okay. Okay. This is the first triangle. Next one is towards this side, right? Okay. So we'll draw like this. So we have the second triangle. Now we'll name it. So what is here? P. This is P. So what is here? This is also P only, right? Here it is P. That P is for both. So here it is P. Then here what is it? Q. It is Q. And here it is S. Here also S. And here it is R. We just split this triangle because here this is common for both triangles, this triangle also and this triangle. So it is common for both. So I just split it like this. Okay, nothing is the same figure only for you to understand. So this is 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. So these two are 3 centimeter. Now this is 90 degrees given here. Here also 90 degrees given. Now you are going to check whether these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Now what are like same here? So side opposite to 90. So here this is the hypotenuse. So here we have the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal. So PQ is equal to PR is equal to, what is the measurement? It is 3 centimeter. So PQ is equal to PR is equal to 3 centimeter. Now you have to check any one side is correct or not. How will you check it? So you can see this side is common for both. That means here also PS, here also PS. So PS is equal to PS. So here we got the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse are equal for both triangles. Here we got one side. One side is also equal. One side of first triangle is equal to one side of the second triangle. So those two are also equal. So what can you say using RHS congruence rule? Triangle PQS is congruent to. That order is very important. Triangle PQS means this side how will you write? Triangle PRS using RHS congruence rule. So this is how you have to do the problem. Now comes the second one. It is to be established by RHS congruence rule that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PRPQ. So what additional information is needed if it is given that? So first you have to draw the triangle. So we'll draw one triangle. It is a right angle triangle because one angle is 90. So I will draw first angle triangle ABC. Let this be 90 degree. So it is given angle P. Now triangle RPQ. RPQ. So in this here is 90 degree. And what else is given? AB is equal to RP is given. AB and RP is equal. So this much is given. Now what additional information is required for proving the congruence using RHS? Hypotenuse should be equal. So the additional information should be AC is equal to RQ. That's it. Okay, so you have to draw these two figures and then this is the answer. Clear? That's it. So this is what is RHS congruence rule. So you have to write the congruence rule, you have to draw the figure, then you have to try these problems which we discussed in this video. Okay, thank you.